Hey guys, welcome back. So let's have a look at this question. So if you see here, this question is related to taxation, right? We all are salaried and we pay taxes. Now, Mimi earns $90,000 per annum and Willem earns 70,000 per annum, right? Their tax slabs is definitely same, right? It's 40%. So what people do, they calculate 40% of 90,000 and they calculate 70%, 40% of 70,000, and that's how they calculate tax. But do you know that's not how the tax is calculated? For the first 50,000, your bracket will be 20%. For example, if Mimi is making 90,000 per annum, the first 50,000 will have a tax bracket of 20%. So it will be common to both. So let's calculate 20% tax till $50,000. It'll be how much? So when we calculate this, tax will be equals to 50,000 times 20%. So you cancel the zeros and then you multiply. So 5 times 2 is 10, and then copy the number of zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what is the tax paid by both for the first 50,000? It is $10,000 and it will not change, right? Now for Mimi, right? How much money is left? 90,000 minus 50,000, because this particular amount has been already used to calculate the 20% tax bracket, right? So Mimi is left with $40,000. Now this $40,000 will be calculated on a 40% tax bracket. So if you calculate tax, this will be into 40%, cancel the zeros. 4 into 4 is 16, and then 3 zeros are left. So the tax Mimi paying, right? Total tax paid by Mimi will be 10,000 plus 16,000, which is $26,000. Okay, this is Mimi's tax. We will calculate the per month because we have to find the difference in the monthly income tax bill. So if you want to calculate monthly tax for Mimi, what do we do? Divide by 12, right? So when you divide by 12, we will get, let's use the calculator for this. So we have 26,000 divided by 12 gives you 2166.7. Okay, we'll round it off. So this is Mimi stack 2166.7. Okay. Similarly, we are going to calculate for Willem, right? So again, Willem's first tax bracket 10,000 up till $50,000. So Willem is making how much? He's making 70,000 per annum. How much is he left with? He's left with 20,000. Okay. So tax in the 40% slab will be calculated based on 20,000. So 20,000 into 40 by 100. Cancel the zeros. 2 into 4 is 8. Copy the number of zeros, which are 3. So total tax paid per annum for Willem is how much? 10,000 plus 8,000 is equals to $18,000, right? Let's divide it by 12 to get the monthly tax paid. 18,000 by 12. This is easy to divide by 6. 3,000 or 1,500 USD is what Willem is paying. So finally, we can calculate the difference. Difference will be how much? 2166.7 is the tax paid by Mimi. So let's write that 2166.7 minus Willem is paying 1,500. So 1,500, and this gives us how much? 216 is 500 plus a 666.7 is the difference in their monthly tax bracket. Okay, so remember, guys, whenever you calculate tax, first check from zero till whichever is the first slab, you need to calculate the tax slab as per the brackets. It doesn't matter if your salary exceeds 50,000, that we need to pay 90,000. Till 50,000, first slab. Now, whatever is left, it'll fall in the 40% tax bracket and so on. Hope this video helps. Thank you.